Over the years, although the Tesla Semi has been used in real-world conditions, it has ultimately remained in a prototype-like state and has only been operated by a small number of Tesla and Number 39 as close testing partners. Perhaps the reason it has yet to truly convince the broader market is that it has never been deployed as a conventional, everyday commercial transport vehicle. Now, however, that reality is finally beginning to change at a pace that is even faster than Elon Musk and investors had anticipated. The best part is that it and Number 39 actually less battery energy than in our current pilot production vehicles, but it maintains the same range. This is achieved through efficiency improvements. What we and Number 39 ratioing here more than 7% at this point. And GT, all right, Tesla and Number 39 2025's annual shareholders meeting has just given us a look at the redesigned semi-truck. Yes, this is the current version of the Tesla Semi, and this will be the new 2026 Tesla Semi. Elon Musk emphasized that the Tesla Semi will be one of 3 core products to enter mass production next year, featuring several major changes. Elon Musk revealed that the Semi has been upgraded to be more efficient, to offer greater payload capacity, and is now designed for autonomous driving. The new version reportedly comes with a redesigned chassis, new headlights, and a range of additional features. The price of the Tesla Semi will also see a slight adjustment. It will be lowered. This is great news for truck drivers who have been eagerly waiting for this model. So, how efficient will the new Tesla Gen 2 be? Will Tesla truly reach a protege? Be a production target of 50,000 trucks per year? And will this truck really deliver the smooth ride that and Number 39 been rumored? Welcome to Tesla Car World. Let and Number 39 take a look at what Tesla has to say about their semi-trucks. We already have a lot of prototype Tesla semis in operation. PepsiCo and other companies have been using the Tesla Semi for quite some time. And GT, yes, that is an announcement Tesla made many years ago. And just last week, Tesla and Number 39's customer list expanded further as DHL officially took delivery of its first Tesla semi-trucks after successfully conducting its own trials. We are not yet certain whether the results published by DHL will meet the expectations of the majority of today and Number 39's truck drivers, as more time is needed for those claims to be proven. However, what we can verify right now is the design and the latest updates featured in what Tesla is calling the first commercial version of the Tesla Semi, which will be made available to both corporate customers and individual buyers starting in the first quarter of 2026. Yes, this is the newly unveiled design of the Tesla Semi, revealed just ahead of its entry into production in 2026, with 3 core design areas being completely refreshed: aerodynamic optimization, interior upgrades, and technological improvements as Tesla prepares for mass production. Upon closer inspection, there are many updates we can see that Tesla has introduced. However, the following key changes are ones you should know before anyone else, as they are truly critical when evaluating and operating a heavy-duty truck, especially an electric one. The most significant design changes to the Tesla Semi include a redesigned chassis, a new headlight assembly, a more compact windshield, and enhanced aerodynamic performance. Stronger operating performance and increased payload capacity allow the Semi to operate more efficiently, making it better suited to the demands of commercial fleet operations. Production and testing progress indicate that approximately 70 units have already been built and are currently undergoing road testing in California, with full-scale production scheduled to begin next year in Nevada. Pricing and global distribution plans remain closely guarded by Elon Musk, who has stated that no official details will be released until the vehicle is formally launched. While estimates in 2017 placed the price between $150,000 and $200,000, it is widely believed that this range may no longer hold based on current production conditions. Industry analysts expect pricing to vary depending on individual configuration and customer-selected options. Turning back to the core design, the Tesla semi-units now rolling out of the new factory are no longer experimental vehicles. These are fully realized commercial models manufactured at true production scale, entirely different from the pre-production trucks previously operated by DHL or Pepsi. Official disclosures and released imagery confirm that Tesla has carried out a comprehensive redesign for the 2026 Semi. The new model features a completely reworked front end with a sleek, modern lighting signature, a simplified front bumper designed for easier repair and maintenance, a smoothly contoured cabin roof, and a shortened windshield. An essential change, as the rear glass design used in the 2017 version proved impractical in real-world use. These refinements have reduced the drag coefficient to just 0.33, outperforming the already impressive 0.36 figure for a heavy-duty truck. This seemingly small 0.03 improvement in aerodynamics alone delivers a 5 to 8% boost in energy efficiency, extending driving range by dozens of miles on a single charge. The chassis has also been comprehensively re-engineered, bringing the semi-curb weight to under 23,000 pounds. As a result, payload capacity has increased significantly, while overall range has been further expanded. When it comes time to recharge, the Semi supports ultra-fast charging at up to 1.2 megas, leveraging Tesla and number 39 as high-powered charging system to minimize downtime as much as possible. On the battery front, Tesla has adopted a clearly defined two-configuration strategy. The long-range Semi uses tableless 4,680 battery cells with high energy density, ensuring stable power delivery even under heavy loads and sustained high-speed highway driving. The short-range version is equipped with LFP batteries known for exceptional durability and approximately 40% lower cost, making it ideal for urban routes and trips ranging from 100 to 200 meters. This variant is positioned at an estimated price point of around $160,000, well suited for short-haul commercial operations. Most importantly, the Tesla Semi is designed around the full self-driving system. The addition of new camera placements just above the front wheel arches clearly underscores Tesla and number 39 as ambition to turn the Semi into a truly autonomous heavy-duty truck. Once FSD is fully deployed, the Semi can operate nearly 24/7, stopping only for 30 to 40 minutes at mega charger stations to recharge. This dramatically reduces labor costs, significantly shortens delivery cycles, and minimizes accidents caused by driver fatigue or distraction, ultimately redefining efficiency in the long-haul trucking industry. There is one thing we all know for certain: the Tesla Semi is not a cheap truck. Current reports suggest that the 500-mile version could be priced at around $200,000. Elon Musk has not confirmed this figure, but Tesla has not denied it either, largely because Class 8 electric trucks are inherently more expensive than their traditional diesel counterparts. Indeed, a report from the American Transportation Research Institute indicates that an average Class 8 diesel truck costs about $180,000, while a comparable electric truck can reach well over $400,000. But the story begins to change once you factor in operating costs and the long-term savings that electric trucks deliver. Businesses are always looking to cut fuel expenses, reduce maintenance costs, and improve profit margins. Tesla claims that fueling a Semi costs roughly half as much as filling up a diesel truck over just the first 3 years of operation. Those savings can add up to as much as $150,000, a figure that would catch the attention of any fleet operator. With operating costs of around 30 cents per mile, a 6.5-mile trip costs just about $3.30 by comparison. A diesel truck would burn at least 1 gallon of fuel over the same distance. And at $3.66 per gallon, diesel is clearly the more expensive option. And that in number 39's only fuel costs The maintenance cost gap between diesel and electric trucks is even wider. A diesel engine is essentially a mechanical maze with hundreds of moving parts, such as pistons, valves, and camshafts. All of these components wear over time and require regular replacement, cleaning, or servicing. Diesel trucks need frequent oil changes, fuel filter replacements, transmission servicing, and drivetrain maintenance. By contrast, electric trucks are like moving from analog to digital, far simpler by design. There are no oil changes, far fewer wear-own components. And thanks to regenerative braking, brake pads experience minimal wear compared to diesel trucks, delivering even greater cost savings. Multiple studies indicate that maintenance costs for electric trucks are 40 to 60% lower than those of diesel-powered vehicles. On average, diesel fleets spend between $20,000 and $30,000 per truck per year on maintenance alone, while electric trucks typically require just $8,000 to $15,000. So, while the upfront cost of an electric truck may be higher once you account for the full range of savings, fuel maintenance, and increased uptime due to fewer service interruptions, it becomes clear that electric trucks represent a smart investment, especially for businesses focused on reducing long-term costs and keeping their fleets operating at peak efficiency. The Tesla Semi is revolutionizing the trucking industry with its regenerative braking system, which recovers nearly all of the energy used during downhill driving. This feature not only extends the vehicle and number 39's driving range, but also delivers substantial energy savings, making long-haul operations far more efficient. In real-world use, the amount of energy recovered can be nearly equivalent to the energy consumed during normal driving. But this is no longer unrealistic. Tesla has resolved all the major bottlenecks. It now has dedicated manufacturing capacity, a stable battery supply, and a far more efficient design. Quite honestly, producing 50,000 units per year is entirely achievable. That level of output puts Tesla right on the doorstep of the industry and number 39's heavyweights. Take Peterbilt, for example. They produce around 60,000 heavy-duty trucks annually. Yet, they Dan and number 39 T have a single electric truck that can match the Semi in terms of engineering or performance. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Tesla Semi will be rolled out globally. That said, international expansion will come with inevitable challenges. In Australia, for instance, a highly promising market for electric trucks, current vehicle size regulations present a major obstacle to approving the Tesla Semi. While efforts to revise these rules are underway, it will take time before the Semi can operate there at scale. Similarly, the Semi width exceeds certain regional limits, measuring 8.5 feet. Compared to the 8.37 feet maximum commonly permitted across much of Europe. On top of that, the European market traditionally favors cab-over-engine designs, which are more compact and maximize cargo space. By contrast, the Tesla Semi uses a conventional long-nose design, more common in American trucks. To succeed in Europe, Tesla may need to adapt the Semi and number 39's design to meet both regulatory requirements and the practical needs of European freight operators. Beyond size constraints, the Semi-enter driving position could present another challenge in the European market. While this configuration is common in American trucks, European trucks typically place the driver on one side of the cab. This offset layout is designed to optimize interior space, improve forward visibility, and provide better control when reversing or parking close to the curb. To better align with European preferences, Tesla may need to relocate the driver and number 39's seat to the left side of the cab. In addition, sleeper cabs are a standard feature for long-haul trucks in Europe, so a Semi variant with a sleeping compartment would likely be necessary to meet market expectations. Ultimately, these regulatory and design considerations could require significant modifications to make the Tesla Semi truly viable in Europe. However, given Tesla and number 39's track record of overcoming complex challenges, It is highly likely that the company will adapt its flagship electric truck to meet the diverse needs of freight operators around the world. As we know, Tesla and number 39. S service presence in Europe remains relatively limited, especially when compared with the well-established service networks of major European commercial vehicle manufacturers, who are able to provide immediate on-the-ground support for fleet customers. Tesla claims that the 2026 Semi is ready for mass production and is no longer an experimental vehicle, but with fewer than 500 units currently operating in real-world conditions. Should the market truly believe that this is a fully mature commercial product? Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe now so you, Dan, and number 39 miss the next breaking Tesla update. It and number 39 coming in just 2 days. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, Dan and number 39 forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.